Have you ever thought about growing your own tea garden? Imagine sipping a cup of tea made from leaves you've grown and harvested yourself. This is the joy of cultivating your own tea garden. Not only do you get to enjoy the freshness of homegrown tea, but you also engage in the therapeutic process of gardening. Plus, there's an undeniable satisfaction in achieving self-sustainability. Growing your own tea garden might seem complex, but it is simpler than you might think. Stay tuned to learn how. First things first, you need to choose your tea plant. Did you know that all tea comes from the same plant, Camellia sinensis? Picking the right variety is crucial. Camellia sinensis sinensis and Assamica each thrive under different conditions. Once you've selected your tea plant, it's time to prepare your garden. Now it's time to prepare your garden. Tea plants cherish well-drained, slightly acidic soil and partial shade. Start by testing your soil's pH level. It should be between 6 and 6.5. If it's higher, add some organic matter like compost or peat moss to lower it. Now, let's talk location. Choose a spot with morning sun and afternoon shade to protect your tea plant from harsh midday rays. With your garden prepared, you're ready to plant your tea. Now comes the exciting part, planting your tea. And remember, a little care goes a long way. Start by digging a hole twice as wide and deep as the root ball of your tea plant. Once planted, regular watering is crucial. Don't forget to prune your plant for shape and health, and use a slow-release fertilizer to nourish it. With these steps, you're setting your tea plant up for success. With a little patience and care, you'll soon have a thriving tea garden. After all your hard work, the best part is finally here, harvesting and enjoying your own homegrown tea. When new leaves appear at the top of your plant, it's time to harvest. Briefly process them by drying. So, are you ready to start your own tea garden? Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.